My name's Dewey. I'm one of the founders of ESpy Ocean. I have had a lot of experience working growing businesses, but the space world is different. And I think the nuances that come with that are a little bit more challenging at times. We had such a good experience in the first program, particularly with the university level learning. So that was part of the appeal. We know that that's going to be at a higher level than a lot of other accelerators that are around. We're also in a phase of our business where we need rapid growth. So we thought that this would be a great way to just map out the plan, get some mentoring along the way, again, learn from other founders, because that is gold, and put something in place for the next 5 years.
With the growth ramp, what we are trying to achieve is to see how we can scale things up. Scaling is where, a lot of startups struggle. And it's an important phase where we need to understand how we scale. The discussions really help us to understand, how some of the previous startups who have gone through that and how they have done it. We want to cover that difficult phase that we are right now in. It's already starting to look good.
I think the big thing for us is that by the end of the program, we will have a strategy on paper delivered in front of a group. You've got something to take away that's tangible. I can take and embed in my team. I could take to an investor. I could take, wherever and build on it in the years to come. And that's very appealing.